Hey everyone, welcome back. Just 2 days ago, the brand new Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus officially launched, and today we're diving into a full detailed review. So what makes this phone special? Let's break it down. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the design and feel. The Note 15 Pro Plus features a dual-sided microcurve design. Front, it honestly gives off flagship level vibes. The slightly rounded back makes it more comfortable to hold, though it does feel a little wide in the hand because of that massive 6.83-inch display. The dimensions and weight are right here on screen for you. Overall, the in-hand feel is pretty decent, but since the back is a bit slippery, I definitely recommend using a case for daily use. Now, let's jump into the key highlights. One thing the Redmi Note series is known for is durability, and this generation pushes that even further. For the first time, the Note 15 Pro Plus comes with dragon crystal glass on the front, offering 41% better toughness compared to the last model. On the back, you'll find an ultra-strong glass fiber panel, and inside, Redmi's new King Kong architecture with cushioning materials around key components. To put it simply, this phone is built to survive drops. We tested it with a 2-meter drop test simulating real-life accidents. The results? A few scuffs on the frame and bezel, but the display stayed intact and the phone worked perfectly fine. No cracks at all. On top of that, it's got impressive water and dust resistance, carrying IP66, IP68, and IP69K ratings. Whether it's splashes, soaking, or even high-pressure water jets, this phone can handle it. Basically, it covers all the waterproofing needs for most people. So even in those unexpected situations, you won't have to worry about damage. That durability makes it a solid choice for people who work outdoors, like delivery partners or couriers. And it's not just tough, the signal performance has also leveled up this time. The Note 15 Pro Plus packs Xiaomi's self-developed surging T1S signal chip, giving a 26% boost in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and a 10% bump in GPS performance. Thanks to the flagship level Phase 8L architecture, overall signal strength is up by a massive 87% compared to the previous gen. That means better reception in elevators, underground parking lots, or other weak signal spots. And here's something even more exciting. Redmi is preparing a Beidou satellite version of this phone, which will support satellite text, voice, and even picture messaging. That's a big deal for outdoor adventurers and hikers because it's drop-resistant, waterproof, frost-proof, and still affordable. Definitely worth waiting for if you're into outdoor activities. Moving on to the battery life, which is another major highlight. This phone is powered by a huge 7,000 mAh Xiaomi GSR battery with an energy density of 845 watt-per-liter. In our 3-hour usage test at 200 nits brightness and 50% volume, 1 hour of browsing Weibo used up 8% battery. Streaming 1080p video also took 8% per hour. TikTok was even lighter at just 6% per hour. Based on that, you can expect around 13 hours of continuous use without breaking a sweat. That's seriously impressive. It also holds up really well in extreme temperatures. At -30 degrees Celsius, its discharge capacity is twice as strong as a regular 3.4-volt battery, plus it supports 1,600 charge cycles, making it one of the most durable batteries out there. And charging? No worries here. The phone supports 90-watt wired fast charging with Xiaomi's P3 chip, plus 26 watts reverse charging. From 1% to 100% takes about 53 minutes, pretty solid for a 7,000 mAh cell. But that's not all. The display and audio experience are also worth talking about. It features a 6.83-inch 1.5K super sunlight screen with 680 nits peak manual brightness and up to 1,100 nits in HDR. It also comes with DC high-frequency PWM dimming for eye comfort. For sound, you get symmetrical stereo speakers with a surprisingly loud maximum volume up to 400%. Redmi has also added some thoughtful elder care features in the system. Larger fonts, louder volume, anti-fraud protection, and risk app blocking, all in one place. A very practical addition, especially for senior users. As for the performance and cameras, powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor, ICE circulating cold pump cooling system, X-axis linear motor, NFC plus IR blaster. Camera setup includes a 50 megapixel Light Hunter 800 main sensor, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. So overall, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a standout mid-range phone. It focuses on solving real-world user pain points, offering super durability, excellent battery life, strong signal, and thoughtful features like elder care support. That makes it a great option not only for delivery workers and outdoor users, but also for students, elders, and anyone on a tighter budget. All right, that's the full breakdown of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.